The macaroni penguin, Eudyptes chrysolophus, is a species of penguin found from the Subantarctic to the Antarctic Peninsula. One of 6 species of crested penguin. It is very closely related to the royal penguin, and some authorities consider the two to be a single species. It bears a distinctive yellow crest, and the face and upper parts are black and sharply delineated from the white underparts. Adults weigh on average 5.5 kilograms, 12 lb, and are 70 centimeters, 28 in length. The male and female are similar in appearance. The male is slightly larger and stronger with a relatively larger bill. Like all penguins, it is flightless, with a streamlined body and wings stiffened and flattened into flippers for a marine lifestyle. The macaroni penguin is a large crested penguin, similar in appearance to other members of the genus Eudyptes. An adult bird has an average length of around 70 centimeters, 28 in. The weight varies markedly depending on time of year and sex. Males average from 3.3 kilograms, 7 lb, after incubating, or 3.7 kilograms, 8 lb, after molt to 6.4 kilograms, 14 lb, before molt. While females average 3.2 kilograms, 7 lb, after to 5.7 kilograms, 13 lb, before molt. Among standard measurements, the thick bill, from the gape, measures 7 to 8 centimeters, 2.8 to 3.1 in. The culmen being around a centimeter less. The wing, from the shoulder to the tip, is around 20.4 centimeters, 8.0 in, and the tail is 9 to 10 centimeters, 3.5 to 3.9 in, long. The head, chin, throat, and upper parts are black and sharply demarcated against the white underparts. The black plumage has a bluish sheen when new and brownish when old. The most striking feature is the yellow crest that arises from a patch on the center of the forehead and extends horizontally backwards to the nape. The flippers are blue-black on the upper surface with a white trailing edge, and mainly white underneath with a black tip and leading edge. The large bulbous bill is orange-brown. The iris is red and a patch of pinkish bare skin is found from the base of the bill to the eye. The legs and feet are pink. The male and female are similar in appearance. Males tend to be slightly larger. Males also bear relatively larger bills, which average around 6.1 centimeters, 2.4 in, compared to 5.4 centimeters, 2.1 in females. This feature has been used to tell the sexes apart. Immature birds are distinguished by their smaller size, smaller, duller brown bill, dark gray chin and throat, and absent or underdeveloped head plumes, often just a scattering of yellow feathers. The crest is fully developed in birds aged 3 to 4 years, a year or two before breeding age. Macaroni penguins molt once a year, a process in which they replace all of their old feathers. They spend around 2 weeks accumulating fat before molting because they do not feed during the molt, as they cannot enter the water to forage for food without feathers. The process typically takes 3 to 4 weeks, which they spend sitting ashore. Once finished, they go back to sea and return to their colonies to mate in the spring. Overall survival rates are poorly known. The successful return of breeding adults at South Georgia Island varied between 49% and 78% over 3 years, and around 10% of those that did return did not breed the following year. A 1993 review estimated that the macaroni was the most abundant species of penguin, with a minimum of 11,841,600 pairs worldwide. Macaroni penguins range from the Subantarctic to the Antarctic Peninsula. At least 216 breeding colonies at 50 sites have been recorded. In South America, macaroni penguins are found in southern Chile, the Falkland Islands, South Georgia and the South Sandwich Islands, and South Orkney Islands. They also occupy much of Antarctica and the Antarctic Peninsula, including the northern South Shetland Islands, Bouvet Island, the Prince Edward and Marion Islands, the Crozet Islands, the Kerguelen Islands, and the Heard and McDonald Islands. While foraging for food, groups will range north to the islands off Australia, New Zealand, southern Brazil, Tristan da Cunha, and South Africa.
El pingüino macaroni, Eudyptes chrysolophus, es una especie de pingüino que se encuentra desde la Subantártica hasta la península antártica. Una de las 6 especies de pingüinos crestados. Está muy estrechamente relacionado con el pingüino real, y algunas autoridades consideran que los dos son una sola especie. Tiene una cresta amarilla distintiva. Y la cara y las partes superiores son negras y claramente delineadas de las partes inferiores blancas. Los adultos pesan en promedio 5,5 kilogramos, 12 libras, y miden 70 centímetros, 28 in, de largo. El macho y la hembra son similares en apariencia. El macho es un poco más grande y fuerte con un pico relativamente más grande. Como todos los pingüinos, no puede volar. Tiene un cuerpo aerodinámico y alas rígidas y aplanadas en forma de aletas para un estilo de vida marino. El pingüino macaroni es un pingüino grande con cresta, similar en apariencia a otros miembros del género Eudyptes. Un pájaro adulto tiene una longitud promedio de alrededor de 70 centímetros, 28 pulgadas. El peso varía notablemente según la época del año y el sexo. Los machos tienen un promedio de 3,3 kilogramos, 7 libras, después de la incubación. O 3,7 kilogramos, 8 libras, después de la muda a 6,4 kilogramos, 14 libras, antes de la muda. Mientras que las hembras tienen un promedio de 3,2 kilogramos, 7 libras, después de la muda a 5,7 kilogramos, 13 libras, antes de la muda, entre las medidas estándar. El pico grueso, desde el gap, mide de 7 a 8 centímetros, 2,8 a 3,1 in, siendo el culmen alrededor de 1 centímetro menos. El ala, desde el hombro hasta la punta, mide alrededor de 20,4 centímetros, 8,0 pulgadas, y la cola mide entre 9 y 10 centímetros, 3,5 menos 3,9 pulgadas, de largo. La cabeza, el mentón, la garganta y las partes superiores son negras y están bien delimitadas contra las partes inferiores blancas. El plumaje negro tiene un brillo azulado cuando es nuevo y marrón cuando es viejo. La característica más llamativa es la cresta amarilla que surge de un parche en el centro de la frente y se extiende horizontalmente hacia atrás hasta la nuca. Las aletas son de color negro azulado en la superficie superior con un borde posterior blanco y principalmente blancas debajo con una punta negra y el borde anterior. El pico grande y bulboso es de color marrón anaranjado. El iris es rojo y se encuentra un parche de piel desnuda rosada desde la base del pico hasta el ojo.